Welcome to Lesson 5 AI in Everyday Life. Today, we explore how artificial intelligence has become a ubiquitous part of our daily routines, significantly enhancing our convenience and efficiency. From how we shop to how we learn, AI's influence is extensive and still expanding. AI isn't just a futuristic concept, it's a practical technology already shaping our world. Let's look at some of compelling statistics and facts. Adoption rate. Currently, 37% of organizations have integrated AI in some capacity, demonstrating its widespread acceptance. Market growth. The global AI market is poised to grow significantly, expected to reach 190 billion by 2025. Consumer interaction. By 2024, it is projected that 75% of customer interactions will be managed by AI, transforming how businesses interact with customers. Economic impact. AI's contribution to the global economy is surprising, with an expected impact of 15.7 trillion by 2030. Job creation. While AI will create approximately 2.3 million jobs by 2025, it is also expected to replace about 1.8 million jobs, reshaping the employment landscape. AI's integration into our lives occurs in several intuitive and invisible ways. Here are a few areas where AI has a notable presence. Personal assistance. AI-powered assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant helps us manage schedules, set reminders, and even control our smart home devices, making everyday tasks simpler. Entertainment. Companies like Netflix and Spotify use AI to recommend personalized content, enhancing our viewing and listening experiences based on our preferences. Finance. AI enhances security and user experience in banking through fraud detection, automated trading, and personalized financial advice. Education. AI-driven tools are revolutionizing education by providing personalized learning experiences, automating administrative tasks, and supporting virtual tutoring. Healthcare. AI is vital for diagnostics, developing personalized treatment plans, and managing patient data, which improves healthcare outcomes dramatically. Transportation. From enhancing GPS navigation to powering self-driving cars and optimizing public transportation routes, AI is pivotal in modern transportation. Smart home. AI seamlessly integrates with IoT devices to create efficient smart homes that manage lighting, security, and climate control. Retail. In retail sector, AI is utilized for providing personalized shopping recommendations, managing inventory, and powering customer service chatbots, enhancing the shopping experience. As we can see, AI is not just about robots and complex machines. It's about enhancing the efficiency and quality of our everyday lives. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. So thank you for joining me in exploring the exciting integration of AI in everyday life. In the next lesson, we will debunk some common myths about AI. So stay tuned and see you in the next lesson.